Another beautiful day and a great day for a drive in a 2007 Toyota Tundra SR5, and it has a white exterior, gray cloth interior with seating for 5, 4 doors, and about a 6-foot box. It has a tonneau cover, a 4.7 liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4 with an automatic transmission. It also has Bluetooth, and it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca, and stay tuned. We're going to have a look in and around. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And you've got this nice little bin. I'll just pop that closed. The driver's seat is powered with the lumbar. You have all-weather mats on the floor, and you have your high mount light, your mirror controls, the door light, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. You also have a grab handle to help you into the cab. And on the face of your steering wheel is your logo as well as your horn, and you've got your cruise control off to the side. I've already started the vehicle. You can see your odometer reading, and you have your traction control down there, hazard lights. There's the info for your dash, and you've got your 4x4 little bin automatic shifter, your fan, as well as your AC and max AC, and you have your display screen there. You've got Spotify, Sirius satellite radio, AM, FM, as well as Bluetooth. You've got your auxiliary line, USB. There's a couple there. Not USB, sorry, 12 volt. Couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, lots of room and bins in there. And then you've got 2 glove compartments, the lower one's locking. Auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. You have your lighting controls and lots of sunglass holders, as well as bins up in the ceiling, grab handle in the body, and up above. 20-inch wheels, black door handle and side view mirror. Driver's side fuel cap, and in the back you've got the black handle. The tailgate is lockable, and you also have a trailer hitch with the cover and a 4 and 7 pin connector. There's a tonneau cover, and then when we want to open everything up, we just pull the handle. Nice lined box and quite generous. Tie downs in all 4 corners, and then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab, and there's another one on the other side, and then lift the seat up, and you've got this nice little area that you can undo and close up to put items, and there's a bigger one on the other side there. Pull the clip again, and it'll bring the seat right down. You've got nice all-weather mats on the floor and sun pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you just pull this open. You've got a couple of cup holders, and there's also a 12-volt grab handle in the body, hooks, and in the back, access to a sliding window. Chrome bumper, tonneau cover, about a 6-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.